Serverless architectures on Google Cloud. Serverless architecture allows developers to write and deploy code without provisioning, managing, or scaling servers. Although the term serverless can be misleading, servers are indeed involved. The cloud provider manages them entirely on behalf of the developer. Benefits of going serverless on Google Cloud: no server management, no need to worry about server provisioning, patching, or scaling. Auto-scaling: your application automatically scales up during peak times and down during low usage, improving resource efficiency. Cost efficiency: pay only for what you use, down to the millisecond, avoiding costs for idle resources. Faster time to market: allows developers to focus on code rather than infrastructure, which accelerates deployment. Key serverless tools on Google Cloud. Cloud Functions. Cloud Functions is a functions as a service (FaaS) offering that enables developers to run single-purpose functions in response to events. These functions can be triggered by HTTP requests, Google Cloud services like pub/sub or Firestore, or third-party services. App Engine. Google App Engine is a fully managed platform that allows developers to build highly scalable applications in several supported languages: Python, Java, Go, Node.js, etc. App Engine automatically handles scaling, load balancing, and health monitoring. Conclusion. In conclusion, serverless architectures on Google Cloud offer immense flexibility, cost savings, and scalability for a wide range of applications. Google Cloud serverless offerings can help you build modern apps,